Triangle center, the topic where students keep getting confused. How to remember it? Altitude is when we drop perpendicular from one vertex to side opposite to it. So altitude, if you have noticed, is also used for height of a place. And ortho is kind of similar to earth. I'm not saying this is a technical reason or something related to maths. This is how I have remembered it. You can build your own stories to learn it. So point of intersection of altitude is called orthocenter. Medians. If I connect a vertex from midpoint of side opposite to it, then it is called median. And point of intersection of medians is called centroid. How to remember it? Median, if you see, mid comes in the word median. Mid and center, they are kind of synonyms, right? Come in mid, come in center. So, point of intersection of median is centroid. Perpendicular bisector. In 9th grade, we have done a theorem where we know perpendicular bisector of a chord always passes through center. If I'm drawing a triangle inside a circle, then each side is nothing but chord of the circle. So perpendicular bisector has to pass through center of the circle. So point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of a triangle is equidistant from each vertex of triangle and it is called circumcenter. Circum means outside. Circumcenter means a point which will give me a circle passing through all three vertices of triangle. Incenter. A point of intersection of angle bisectors is incenter. If there is a point inside a triangle and give me a circle which touches all three sides, then these three sides are nothing but tangents, right? And we know that if I connect the this point with point of contact, then I have proved these two triangles are congruent and these two angles are equal. So point of intersection of angle bisectors give me an incenter. That point is, if I drop perpendicular from this point to each side, that distance is equal. So that is nothing but radius. Incenter, the point which gives me circle inside touching all three sides.